Ted, all of your hard work is finally paying off, and I'm very proud of you. But even future museum directors need to take a little time off.
But I've only got 1 week to put together my whole priorities for the future presentation. Most people only talk about the future, not me. I put it in a binder. Oh, hi, George. What? You want to see the elephant? Sorry, George, not today. I gotta pick the colors for my bar graphs. Today I'm thinking earth tones. Has anybody seen my bar graphs?
Bar graphs.
Huh. Hey, mustard's a good color.
Ted, all this important stuff isn't the most important stuff. You need to think about your loved ones.
You mean George? I think of him all the time. Those aren't toys, George. See? Just thought of him again.
Ted, the people you really care about and who care about you need your attention now. Or there may not be a later. Do you understand?
Sure, I understand. I do. Hey, George, pack your smile. We're going to see the elephant. See, I totally caught your drift. We are so in sync. See you later, Maggie. Hey, you want to come too?